Hey guys, Rachel here. I am super excited to show you this impression. The view is absolutely stunning, and that's probably why they named the model View, which I'll go into that model as well because you're gonna want to know exactly which RV this is. It is a fifth wheel, and again, I'm just so excited to show you. It is probably one of my favorite fifth wheels. So let's start from the beginning. Let's take a look from the front to the inside. And there is a hidden door, a hidden room in this one, which is even more exciting, plus the kids love it. So let's get started. Again, this is the impression. It is the 318RLVIEW. So it's got three slides, and it's got 2 awnings. All right, let's take a look inside. Here we go. Oh, here we go, guys. Look at this. I don't know about you, but this is absolutely stunning. And if I picture anything, it's either by the water or in the mountains, and that would be my view. So I'm picturing it mentally right now in my head, and I love it. I just love it. Now I love how this is such a long island, but it serves more than just one purpose. You have, area to put your breakfast, or if you work at home, or if you got, your kiddos can sit up here, or your whoever. Plus you have another one that you can also use not only for a desk, but you can also use for a breakfast, a dinner, whatever you would like to make it as. You have that option. You've got your theater seating with the most comfortable chairs, and you've got a couch on this side. So plenty of room here, as you can see, for people to have a seat. It is beautiful. You've got your corner kitchen and everything that you need over there with your big old sink. You got a 3-burner. You got your oven. You got a big microwave. You got your residential fridge, which is beautiful. And then I'm sure you see that there is plenty of storage as well. Here we go. Plenty of storage. Your little pantry. I love when you see these. It just looks like a pantry door. I like that. It makes me feel at home. And then you've got this one, which is your hidden room. So you got those kiddos, you got anybody else that needs a space to sleep. You have an option here. I mean, it's crazy, but you do. Plenty of space here. So, and you got more area over here to store what you need. But this also goes right up. So if you need to use this space for anything else, you have that option. I mean, I have some people that have made it into an office. So they took that out, got a big stool, used that as their table. I mean, one person even took, whatever. You got little cubbies here. I mean, this is just really neat. And so on the other side is a desk. So if you push this up, you have a desk on that side. So, I mean, the opportunity for quite a bit in there is just neat, and I just love that it looks like a pantry. You've got your entertainment right here with plenty of storage all around as well, your fireplace, and then more storage above that, which I love, that little shelf. All right, guys, let's move on down. In the hall, you're gonna find perfect little spot for you to, put your coat, put your shoes, whatever, keys, and then you've got a beautiful window in the hall, and then you have a beautiful bathroom. Guys, I love the bathroom. You got cubbies over here, plenty of space in this bathroom, plenty of space. You can have a seat, and you've got 2 sinks. I love to see 2 sinks. I like this dark wood. I like it all. You've got more space up here, of course, and you do have a little window, which I actually like in a bathroom. So All right, moving on. We've got a huge master bedroom. You got the Versa lift here. Beautiful windows on the side. I love how this is. I love these little accent pieces in the middle, the pieces of wood. Makes it look a little bit different. You've got your dresser. You got a little bench. You've got your washer and dryer prep and a huge closet. Huge. I love the barn doors. But all this space right here, you can see it's a lot of space for you to roam around. All right. But what do you guys think? You let me know. It's absolutely beautiful from where I stand, but what do you guys feel? What do you guys think? All right, but you know you can reach me. Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel if you want more information. Happy to give it. Call me, set an appointment. Let's go.